if you are not using ChatGPT for your business yet, you are not only working harder, but you are also missing a lot of opportunities to grow your sales. As a store owner, you are already doing a lot. Managing your business alone is enough. What about marketing, content writing, running your ads, preparing your content, understanding your customers, replying to them, and much more? But what if you could do all of these things faster, better, and with more clarity without hiring a team or spending more money? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a real business tool. Not just to save time, but to help you sell more, create better marketing, and make smarter decisions every single day. Even if you've never used AI before, I promise you by the end of this video, you will have everything you need in order to start. And I've put together a full guide with all the prompts that you need so you start applying everything you have learned in this video. And now let's start. Most marketing problems start with a simple issue: not knowing your potential customers enough. And if you are still guessing what to say in your ads, your product pages, your social media profiles, your emails, this is where ChatGPT changes everything. Why it matters? Because the more clearly you understand your potential customers, the easier it gets to improve your copy, create better offers, and create better ads that convert more and more customers. What you can do is to ask ChatGPT to describe your potential customers, what they care about, what type of pain points do they have, what type of challenges are they facing, what type of solutions they are looking for, and what type of feelings they might have before and after buying your product. And if you want to take this a little bit further, you can give ChatGPT reviews from your store, from Amazon, or from any other competitor's store, and ask ChatGPT to analyze these reviews. And out of these reviews, you can learn a lot about the type of complaints your potential customers usually have, the type of features they like, who are your potential customers, and much more. Here are some examples of what you can ask ChatGPT to do. Describe the ideal customer for a $60 smartwatch designed for sleep tracking. What are 5 emotional and practical reasons someone would buy a reusable water bottle? Analyze these 100 Amazon reviews of my competitor. What are the top 5 complaints and the top 5 praised features? You can use all of these insights to improve your product descriptions, your product pages, to craft better hooks for your ads, better content for your social media profiles, and so on. But not only that, you can even discover new content angles that you have never thought about before. Once you understand your potential customers clearly, now it is the time to improve your product pages and your website so it speaks to them directly. A lot of stores have decent traffic, but they are not converting well. And in most cases, the problem is with the messaging. It's not clear enough and it's not persuasive. All of your store pages should be able to communicate trust, clarity, and value in few seconds. Here are some examples of what you can ask ChatGPT to do. Rewrite this product description to focus more on benefits and sound more premium. Create a short, clear value proposition for a brand selling eco-friendly yoga outfits. Turn this basic headline into 3 options that are more bold and benefit-focused. Before moving forward with our topic, and if you are liking this video, don't forget to smash the like button, to subscribe to my channel, and to hit the notification bell, because in this way you will get notified every time I publish a new video. And now, let's get back to our topic. For sure, your product pages are the most important pages on your store. But don't forget about your homepage, your About Us page, and your policies pages. These are important as well. All you need to do is to ask ChatGPT to rewrite your product descriptions and to focus more on the product benefits. And in here, all the work that you have done in step 1 is going to pay off. ChatGPT already knows who are your potential customers, and you can use this data to improve your product descriptions even more. One thing I highly recommend you to do is to always give ChatGPT more context about your product. You can even give it examples of copies you like so it can get inspired from them. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you with your headlines, to improve your list of benefits, to maybe create an FAQ section on your product page, and so on. By improving your product descriptions and information, your store conversion rate is going to improve for sure. And if you want to get the prompts I use to get better product descriptions using ChatGPT, just comment prompt below and I will send you a link for all the prompts I'm going to use in this video along with all the needed steps. And by the way, ChatGPT can even help you to create infographics for your product pages. Yes, full usable images, and we are going to cover this later in this video, so don't miss it out. So now you know your potential customers more, you've used ChatGPT to improve your product pages, now it is the moment to improve your ads performance using ChatGPT. When it comes to running successful Facebook and Instagram ads campaigns for your e-commerce business, there are actually two challenges. The first challenge is coming out with good ad ideas, and the second challenge is consistently coming out with good ad ideas. And this is actually a problem, especially that with Facebook and Instagram ads, you need to be testing new ads weekly. And the ChatGPT can help you with these two challenges. What I recommend you to start with is to do a small market research. Go to the Facebook ads library and see what type of ads are performing well on Facebook. Get this data and feed it to ChatGPT along with everything you know about your potential customers, your products, and so on, and ask ChatGPT to craft ads ideas and ads copies based on these successful ideas and successful ads. ChatGPT performs way better when you give it examples and inspirations. Using ChatGPT, you can have infinite ideas and you can have your scripts or your image content written in seconds. And this is extremely efficient for Facebook and Instagram ads because in this way, you will be creating winning ads easily and quickly. Here are some examples of what you can ask ChatGPT to do. Write 3 ad variations for a smart ring targeting men over 40 who care about sleep and wellness. Give me 3 headline plus caption combos for a playful brand tone. Rewrite this ad for urgency and scarcity. Now that you have your scripts written and your image ideas done, how you are going actually to turn them into visuals, into videos and images? Well, ChatGPT can also help you with this. Not sure if you already know that, but now with ChatGPT, you can turn a simple product shot into an infographic or into a lifestyle photo in just few seconds. And not only that, you can turn this lifestyle photo into a video also using AI in minutes. If you want to know more about how to use AI to generate image static ads and video ads for your business, I highly recommend you to check this video on my YouTube channel where I show you my lazy way to create Facebook ads using AI. Using AI now, you can create ads within seconds without paying money for anyone. This is extremely efficient and beneficial and I can't recommend it enough. So if you are not using AI yet to generate content for your business, you are missing on a lot of opportunities. And I'm not talking only ads, I'm also talking about content for your social media profiles, for your emails, for anything or everywhere you want to showcase your products. Now, the last thing I recommend you to do is to use AI in order to analyze your data. And in here, I'm talking specifically about your Shopify store data. You can simply export reports from Shopify, upload it to ChatGPT, and ask it for findings. And this applies to any report you have on your Shopify dashboard. You can use ChatGPT to analyze your customers' behaviors, your top performing products, patterns in your store, and so on. I highly recommend you to profit from this because having all of these data sitting on your Shopify store is not enough if you don't use this data to make smarter decisions every single day. Here are some examples of what you can ask ChatGPT to do. Here is my sales data from last month. What trends do you notice? Which products have high views but low conversion, and why might that be? Give me 3 actions to reduce abandoned checkouts based on this data. What's my best sales day of the week and what should I do with that info? With this data, you will stop guessing and you will start taking informative decisions toward improving your store conversion rate, your store user experience, and much more. ChatGPT isn't here to replace you. It's here to support you. It helps you do everything you are already doing, but faster, better, and with more clarity. Remember, if you want to get all the prompts I use to get all of these done, just comment below prompt and I will send you the link. Before leaving, I want to remind you to check this video. In this video, I show you my lazy way of creating ads using AI. It's an amazing video and I'm pretty sure it's going to greatly help you. So don't forget to watch it.